flashing buttons. Only one engineer.
One engineer? Did you hear him? Only one engineer?
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They block onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon!
That's you, Meg!
Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes!
Oh!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, they can get something to hot dog. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer.
I got it!
Jump, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxial. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Fire!
Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost.
Hit the booster!
Good night. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
Extra.
That's right, I'm at 100%.
Details.
Right, right.
All right, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. Yeah, I was going to cut you off there. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Let's make sure we're grabbing all our cargo as we exit.
Ah, thank you.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
Ooh,
This thing has seen better days.
look, now it's all
Better
messed
fix all
up.
that before the Wookiee season.
Mary, we messed it all up. We messed it all up. That's an elevator.
I got confused.